drink that, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. I will not drink that. Girlfriend problems?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, I know the perfect solution for that.
Oh, yeah? What is that?
Lemonade!
Yeah. Here we go, man. Thanks, Jeff.
Yeah.
I can't get open.
Let me get that for you.
Thank you. Just been having so many issues lately.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I know how it feels.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
What kind of drugs do you want?
Excuse me? No, sir. I was just asking him what drug he was on.
Hello,
What do you got against Hello Kitty?
Hey, what are you doing? Stop. You have to pay for those.
I just want
No,
some beers.
stop.
I just
Stop.
want some beer.
Great.
No,
I
stop.
want some beers. Ugh.
Maybe we should fight just to break the tension.
You're not my mom. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
Stop right there!
What's your name?
Y'all want to get married?
Timothy.
Hey, stop it. Break it up, guys. Break it up. No, break it up.
There's a nut in my pants.
I'm pitching a tent later.
Me too.
Oh, let's go.
Stop. No, stop.
It's raining outside.
No, stop. No.
Get the unicorn away!
No.
Oh wait, I am the police. You're arrested for indecency. So are you.
But I didn't do anything.
Arrested.
I didn't do anything, though.
Oh,
Well, I guess we were all arrested.